What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of Diego's Garage. Today we're going to be installing a Mishimoto Transmission Cooler. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, so let's get to it.
You're goddamn right.
Alright, so this is the Mishimoto Transmission Cooler for the 2014 to 2019 Silverado and Sierra. I'm pretty sure it could fit older models, but this is specific for the 2014 to 2019 Silverado and Sierra V8s. Reason why I'm installing this because I'm preparing my truck, my 2016 Silverado, to tow my 99 Z28 back to Houston, Texas. I'm currently here in Idaho, and the job where I work at is already coming to an end, so I gotta move out everything, including all my tools here, back to Houston, Texas. So I want to get this truck ready to go. If you guys saw last video, I installed the helper bags. I did a transmission oil change on it with some AMS oil, transmission ATF, and yeah, let's get it going. All right, got the front end partially disassembled, took off the grill, took off the top piece that sits on top of the grill. It's hanging on by like 12 clips, and you just pull it off, and then from there there's like 4 10mm bolts on top of where the grill sits, and just after that just pull it off. So I'm about to get ready to drill here. I need a 0.5mm drill bit to drill those holes so the lines can go through. So yeah, this is included in the package with Mishimoto's cooler, so that's what I'm gonna do, just drill it in. Alright guys, got the holes drilled with the 1/2" drill bit. I ended up taking off the intake, my SMB intake box off to give me access to the cooler lines right there. Now I'm gonna take those off and install the new lines. Alright guys, I already took off the line that goes from here into there. It's the stock one right there. It's just 2 clips holding them. Now I'm gonna install these new ones. Run it through the holes right there. I believe this one, a little, what is it, a J, goes through the one on top, and this one goes on the bottom. Let's put it on. All right, got the lines already connected. As you can see, it's already ready to go. Just gotta install the transmission cooler now. All right, I already set up the cooler up, already mocked it up, and I used the level. Make sure it's level, right on the money. Now you gotta connect the lines. Connect them right there to the cooler lines. Just added some fluid in the cooler. I used the hose, funnel, just so you know, putting some fluid in the cooler in there. Might as well, since I'm at it here. And then later, once the truck is like up to temperature, there's a bolt on the bottom of the pan. Like once you're in level ground, you just let it drip. So get it close to like no drip to little drip. That's your indicator to let you know that it's the level is where it should be. I don't know what the Chevy engineers are thinking. I wish I had a dipstick on these 8L90s, but it doesn't, so it's making it hard for us, but whatever. I'm using this AMS oil transmission fluid, best thing in the world, and it smells freaking good. Once I'm done here, I'm gonna connect the smaller line, which I'm using it as a, for the oil to get in, and then route it right there. All right, got my lines on, ready to go. Already hooked up, already secured here in the brackets. Fluid is in there. It's all secured right here. Ready to go. Now I just gotta put the intake box back in there. There it is. And then just stop the grill and call it a day. And just like that, installation complete. You can kind of see it. But yeah, it's already complete. It's clean, ready to cool this transmission, make it last longer. That's all she wrote, guys. This is the end of the video. As you can see, the truck made it to Houston. Just FYI, make sure the quick release clips, you change them. That's like one-time use. So what happened is I lost the one that came with the Mishimoto kit, so I just ended up using the original stock one. You guys will see in the next video why. But yeah, just giving you a heads up, make sure you use the Mishimoto supplied ones. If it doesn't come with one, just buy one at the O'Reilly's. It'll save you the hassle, trust me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe for more Diego's Garage. See you guys in the next one. Peace.